This is the actual inside of the controller. Now you might be wondering why we have the back plate off this. Is that when you put this in there, there's a space just above where this thing goes, and it falls into the actual housing of the controller. So there's a few flaws in the design. So here, hold that. Try to get that. Yep.
Oh, there we go.
Merry Christmas. I wonder if it's a different type of card.
I don't know. We could take the board out and see.
That'd be taking it a little bit too far.
Wouldn't be that difficult. Looks like there are only a few screws.
See, why is it? See, it ramps down right there.
Here.
Yeah, do that. Do it with a flashlight. I can actually visually.
See, the connections are supposed to be the other way.
Oh no, yeah, actually it goes this way.
Yeah.
You're right. So now it's pinching it. I wonder if they use this for like a maintenance port or something. Well, why does it say TFSD and it shows a picture of an SD card?
Yeah.
That makes no bloody sense.
So, best way to get answers is just take that board off.
Oh, I don't want to go that far.
It'd be easy enough to do. They're only what?
Oh, God, I lost it
2,
again.
3, 4. They're only what, 6?
You know what that reminds me of? Like one of those Intel wireless network adapters that they have soldered onto the motherboards and laptops.
Yeah, that's the
Antenna.
Mm-hmm.
Thing's not magnetized.
No, it isn't.
Here, put that over the Texas logo. Or on the bag. Maybe the bag won't let it roll. Let me see. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know why these are loose. Like, because you notice there's screw holes under this. Like there's a screw hole right there. And right there. Huh. That'll work. These guide pegs, I think, are
Yeah, I know.
what's messing you up a little bit. Oh, and
Feels like
it's
there's
pushing up against something.
Feels like there's a little bit of resistance on that end.
Let's try pushing. Okay. Let's try getting the corner right here. Yeah, there's something definitely pushing against. I think.
Oh, it's this board here. There's something keeping.
No, that board's actually attached to the main board.
Yeah, I know.
See?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. It must.
I think what it is just the thing's sliding into the
those-
case.
Yeah, probably the ports.
So let's try this here. Let's try, yeah, pushing back. And then pushing up. Cracking is not a good sound.
Especially when electronics are involved.
Yeah, see, I can see the port
Yeah.
catching. Here, I'm going to put the camera down.
I actually have Okay. Yeah.
No. Lift it back up. I got to show it.
No. Here. This is the SD.
SD slot, right? There's a hole right there. Lift it up. Completely useless. There's just
There's a chip.
chip.
There.
That is hilarious. See, it didn't even warn about that. We got to sit there and wedge this here.
Well,
Yeah.
we can wedge that on back after
Yeah,
we put the
we'll do that,
after
yeah.
we put
That
the
is-
board back in.
All this nightmarish, we find out it doesn't have an SD card slot. Well,
Right. Actually, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
no. Lift it back up. I got to show it.
No. Here. This is the SD.
SD slot, right? There's a hole right there. Lift it up. Completely useless. There's just
There's a chip.
chip.
There.
That is hilarious. See, it didn't even warn about that. We got to sit there and wedge this here.
Well,
Yeah.
we can wedge that on back after
Yeah,
we put the
we'll do that,
after
yeah.
we put
That
the
is-
board back in.
All this nightmarish, we find out it doesn't have an SD card slot. Well,
Right.